Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel. Today I'm here for an unboxing video. I hope this one will be a quick one. I have a box that I received now from Germany from a store or an auction site that is called Martini Auctions, and I needed to buy this pen, and mostly because you told me here on the channel that I was missing this one and I didn't realize it. So the blue Victorinox knife is in use because this is a blue pen. And let's open this. We can already see this is a Lamy pen. We have blue cartridges. Let's put them away. I have here a paper which should be the receipt, invoice, whatever. This was not inexpensive, unfortunately, but I had to have it. So the pen I have here is this thing. This is, sorry, let me just work out here the exposure of the video. This is a Lamy Aion blue, and I got this pen because nothing inside as expected. So I got this pen as I was saying, because of you, and I bought it because you may remember some videos ago I made a video about if I could I would have them all, and I told you how I wanted to have all the pens of a specific model. And one of those is the Lamy Aion, this model, which is kind of a little bit like a Lamy 2000 in a way, in the shape. To me, it looks like a kind of a connection between the Lamy 2000 and Lamy CP1, but I talked about that and I will not go back today to that issue. I just thought this is a beautiful design. I really enjoy it, so I decided to buy this pen. Actually, I decided to get the Lamy Aions that I didn't have. So the Lamy that I had previously were the black, which is a regular edition. I think the regular editions are the black and the silver, I think. So this is the black, and I had this green already, and I thought, why not get the rest of them? But what happens is all the other colors beside the black and I think silver, but I'm not sure, they are all special editions, so they are very hard to find. This is not a highly collectible pen. It is kind of a modern pen, but I think it's since 2018 maybe, but it's very hard to find. So I showed you these pens on video, and this is the olive silver, this is how it is called, and also the red. So I was kind of happy because I had all of them, and I showed the blue Lamy Aion, and then someone on the comments, I think it was two viewers that told me that I had the dark blue and not the blue, because there were two shades of blue, and I thought, okay, I already have the 5. This is a small kind of collection, but apparently there was a 6th one, so I needed to have that. And here we have the dark blue. The difference is that big. Yes, it is. When we look at it, maybe on camera it is not, but I will show you just these two pens and you'll be able to see what I mean, I hope. Looking closer, you can see that this, oops, I hit the camera. This color is much darker blue, and it may have some kind of a green tint. It's kind of something between teal and indigo, and this is a kind of a royal blue. So there are two different shades of blue, and I have both. So as far as I know because of this one. So now I'm happy I have the complete collection. I got an extra box of Lamy cartridges. These are getting expensive because they are not readily available. I think there still are some pens on the Martini Auctions website. I bought from them several times. The problem is that they are not cheap, but they have some stuff that I can't find anywhere else. So I bought from them lots of times. So here we have the complete Lamy Aion collection, the blue and the dark blue or deep blue. I need to check these informations. I also need to check the release year. So maybe there is someone here watching the video that knows more about these pens than I do. If you do, please leave on the comments below the information that I may be missing about the years and so on. I have an idea. I'll try to leave it on the description if I can find it. I'm not sure. But if you have any information, please provide it to me. Also, if there is another version that I don't know of, please let me know. I don't think it is, and I hope there isn't. And if you also get to know there is a new special edition of the Lamy Aion for 2025, please let me know, because now I obviously want to have them all. I already have them all and I want to have the rest. So this was just the unboxing. Someday I'll make a more complete video about this complete sub-collection of my fountain pen collection, and we will talk again soon in some other video. So see you next time. Bye.